Welcome back, friends. So I am here with the fifth problem. So we have this problem as invalid tweets. So we have been given with a table called tweets. So it is very simple table. So it is having two columns, tweet ID of int and content of varchar. Okay. So tweet ID is the primary key column for this table. Content consists of alphanumeric characters, exclamatory mark or space, and no other special characters. This table contains all the tweets in a social media app. Write a solution to find the IDs of the invalid tweets. The tweet is invalid if the number of characters used in the content of the tweet is strictly greater than 15. Return the result in any order, and the result format is in the following example. So this is the question, like, very best example that you must never ever quit before reading the question. You can see that how much the length of the question is big, and what they are asking is absolutely not related to any of this, right? Absolutely not related. So that is why you have to, before facing any problem, you have to just go through that problem and read it till the end, and then make your next step. Okay. So before reading it, just quitting directly by saying the problem is absolutely of no use, right? You may lose something which you already know, right? Okay, so let's get back to the question. So we need to find the IDs of all the tweet IDs where the content length of the content is strictly greater than 15. So strictly greater than 15, it simply means that uh, it is strictly greater than 15. I'm really sorry, it's not like it. It is, there is nothing that it is greater than 15. Okay, not 15 also, it is greater than 15. Okay, so let's jump into the question. So it is very simple problem, right? So again, starting from the from, right, from which table we need to do, from tweets. What is the filtering condition now? What is the filtering condition is, if the length of the content is greater than 15, then it is an invalid tweet. So there is this function called length. So if you are not aware of it, then it means that you need to brush up your SQL basics. So this length function will actually return you the length of the cell. Okay, so on what we are doing, on the content. So on content field we are doing, so if the length of the content is greater than 15, it is a invalid tweet. So I'm just writing the code directly. So I'm writing the code first, then I will come to the example. Code walkthrough. So tweet ID, and we need to order it in any order. Okay, we do not need to order it. So yeah, so you can see that it is, if you walk through the table, you can see that for the first two, if you take this length of the tweet, it would return you actual length of the tweet. Okay, so we can see that, before directly giving the code, we can just put, okay, what this length of the content is doing. Okay, so basically, if you go here, so if you select here, select star comma, and I would say length of the content. Okay, length of the content, and from tweets. Okay, so if you execute this code, basically this length of the content would return you with the length of the thing. Okay, so okay, from keyword not found. So I think this will basically, one second, t directly giving the star would not work sometimes. So I would say t dot content and t dot star. If I run this code, yep, so you can see the output here. Basically the length function would return you the all number of characters in that particular string, okay, including the spaces, okay, all the white spaces also. So if you can count this, so it's 3, 4, 6, and 7, and 4, right? 7, 4, 11. Okay, so 11 is this, and for second it is obvious, you can see it is 13, it is greater than 15, so second is an invalid tweet. So you have to be uh, very well versed in the length function, then only you can solve this problem. So simple question from tweets, if the length of the content is greater than 15, then just select it. There is no order, we can return it in any order, so it should pass. Okay, so I'll be running this on the sample example, and yes, it is passed. So let me just submit it and check if everything goes fine. So yes, it is passed, and yeah, all the solutions would be of similar. So yes, with this we have completed the first section of the SQL 50, that is basic problems, which are under the select. Right, so we have completed the first 5 from the select section of SQL 50. So cheers to you guys also who have uh, worked and solved with me. Now from the next video we'll be starting the next section, that is basic joints. Okay, so that will be more interesting, and yeah, I'll be seeing you there. Thank you.